Hello, Dr. Sander. Will be my assignment 10, the car simulation submission. So let's first go over the showcasing of the code really quick. So if I press run right here, give it a second to run. There you go. So as you can see, the car spawned in. By pressing the WASD, you will see that the blue car will move. And then by pressing the arrow key, you will see the red car will move. And then let's see real quick, give me a second. When I press the left shift, the blue car will swap to the red car POV, well, red car in general. And then if I press it again, there you go. It will swap to the red car POV, and I can control it using the blue car movement. Let's swap back to blue. And if I press on the right side shift, I will swap to the blue car POV, and then I will control it with the arrow key. So that basically showcasing swapping between the two POV of the two car and basically be able to control them. And then yeah, so cool. That would be the code showcase. And then let's go over the code itself really quick. So most of the code is pretty much just kind of duplicate of what you already have in the book, but add in some extra thing. But for my part, I just mainly work on the car movement and the car itself. So first, let's go over the car movement. So in the first car movement, all the control are pretty much the same. The only thing that I add is this right here, where when you press the right shift key, it will call for the switch car one function that will basically swap the car POV from blue to red. And that's pretty much it for that car movement. And then for the update second car movement is very similar to the first car movement, where rather than using up arrow key, rather than using WASD, I use arrow key instead. So you see right here. Oh wait, my bad. Rather than using the arrow key, you use WASD. That's what I mean. So you see, if you press W as equal to press, the car will accelerate. If you press S, which is basically down, the car will decelerate. And you press A, which is left, the car will turn left, and you press D, the car will turn right. And finally, if the user type left shift, it will just switch car POV to car 2. And that's pretty much the end of that part. And then finally to the class car. Give me a second. This class car right here. So class car will define a car object with position X, Y, and Z, also speed and direction. So the private flow, let's see, flow acceleration, that will basically show how fast it's speeding up. Then the flow angle, this thing kind of flow, bunching up, but yeah, flow speed will basically showing how fast the car go. Flow angle, will just basically showing the tilt and stuff like the direction the car is facing, turn left, turn right, stuff like that. Max speed we set to 0.1f, and then flow acceleration, stuff like that. So the flow turn speed is just how quickly the car turn. And for the color, we are default to red color, but it's just basically blue or red for our case. And other than that, that's pretty much all the code that I wrote for this assignment. And yeah, thank you very much.